Good afternoon, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of a 2019 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. Transom, we have a nice sun pad here, 150 horsepower outboard with a ski pylon. The seat back folds up and then also opens up because there's no motor here and this is all storage area. Walking through, look at all the cup holders, the grab handles, cup holders, L-shaped seating here on the starboard side, dedicated cooler underneath. And then we got two captain's chairs on this boat, port and starboard. This has got the white ivory interior, analog gauges on the dash, a Fusion Bluetooth stereo, a little bit of storage here on the left. Notice even more cup holders as you go forward. Grab handles conveniently placed everywhere you need them, port, center, and starboard. It's a great boat, guys. Thanks for watching this walkthrough tour of a 2019 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. Justin Costello, MarineMax Pompano Beach, 954-633-2070.